Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you what it's like to be a PhD research scholar. I'm currently a PhD student in the Department of Biotechnology and Bioinformatics of Northeastern Hill University, Meghalaya, and I'm in my second year. So I usually start my day with a cup of warm water, and then I proceed towards reading the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. It's quite renowned, and since it's my first book, so I decided to give it a go. Which is followed by my planning session for the lab work for today. And here I'm making my breakfast. So I usually have oats in the morning, and this is the fastest method to make it, which involves incubating it in hot water and gets softened on its own. Which is followed by a light workout session. And then I proceed towards making my lunch. And while at it, I'm giving my motorcycle a cool start. So this is considered good practice as the motorcycle has been left overnight and ensures the proper circulation of the engine oil throughout the engine. And so lunch is ready, and after a quick shower, I get ready to head out. I've reached the department, and the first thing I do is I make myself a cup of warm water. I'm working with cyanobacteria and microalgae, and today I'm going to prepare media, which in other words is food for them to grow. And here I'm performing the calculations for the reagents required for making the media, which can relate to ingredients for a recipe. Time to put on my gloves and off we go. There are a lot of reagents, so it's taking quite a bit of time, and since I'm preparing the stock, it's taking more time than usual, but in the next preparation it will consume comparatively lesser time as I'll be having all the reagents in hand. proceeding towards adding the reagents to the media. And here I'm adjusting the pH of the media. And time flies by quickly when you're busy, as it's already time for lunch. As you can see, the campus is quite beautiful for a short walk, especially on a clear day like this. And this is lunch with my batchmate and my seniors. After a good lunch, I'm heading back to the department and I'm autoclaving the media and the flowers, which is essential to prevent contamination. After it's done, I'm keeping the media and other components in the laminar airflow for cooling. When the components are cooled, proceed towards the subculture process, which is essential as the microbes require timely renewal of the media for adequate growth. And then it's time to head out, and as you can see, it's already dark as it had been quite a busy day today. And this is quite a common phenomenon in Shillong these days, getting stuck in traffic, and there's no relief even for two-wheelers. Upon reaching home, I'm helping out in the kitchen. And I'm currently working on a review paper, and so I'm searching for articles for the paper. And it's time for dinner. That's it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you all in the next video.